Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with Mac, so how you can fix your printing problem. So first thing, just go to Launchpad, just go to System Preferences. Here you need to choose printers and scanners. So you can also found here your printer, you receive errors. So just first thing you need to open print query and just check here if you have here some documents. If you have it, just remove from here, just turn off your printer and turn on again and just try again to print. So if you have the same issue, so you just need to tap here on delete button and just delete printer and just reinstall drivers. So just save your model of printer and just found on official site of Canon if you have HP, on official site of HP, or if you have Epson or on official site of Epson, and just download your drivers and install it again on your computer. And so reinstall drivers and also your printer. And the latest thing is the simplest way. You can also try to check your cable, because sometimes it can be problem in cable, so maybe you just disconnect cable from computer. And you can also try to restart, so just tap on Apple logo, just tap on restart and just submit restarting your computer. So this is the way how we can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.